KSA Bokhajan Regional Committee organized a peace and awareness bike rally at Bokhajan on Sunday under the supervision of KSA Central Executive Committee, manifesting 5 major demands. Several decades had completed since the establishment of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, yet many sections of the tribal communities residing in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts are underprivileged and driven away from their rights. Therefore, Karbi Students Association, keeping in view of the consequences, launched a peace and awareness bike rally at Bokhajan on 11 July to aware their constitutional rights to the tribal communities living in Bokhajan areas. The rally was headed by Lalsing Ingti, President, Nobin Ingti, Secretary of Bokhajan Regional Committee, Thangsing Timung, KSA President CEC, Buddha Terang, General Secretary, Raju Ingti, AGS, Bali Ingti, Finance Secretary, Barnabas Killing, David Phangcho, Organizing Secretary in charge, Bokhajan, and Presidents and Secretaries of Hauraghat Regional Committee and Deephu Regional Committee, and several activists from Central Executive Committee attended the rally. In order to safeguard the rights of the indigenous tribes of Karbi Anglong, the KSA had demanded that the names of all non-tribal voters should be deleted from the KAAC voter list. No trading license should be given to non-tribal businessmen in order to give opportunity to the indigenous traders. They also vehemently demanded cancellation of all land pattas in the name of non-tribal communities, and no further patta should be issued to them. Raising their voice against the increasing rate of unemployment, the KSA say that many deserving youths are deprived of job because of the cash for job trend in the district. They had urged upon the KAAC to take action on the job scams, and the deprivation of deserving candidates should not continue in the future.
Tumhan Karbi Anglong lapen di mahasau pen phan ajak ding klui pen litum article 244A ng pachun pinang jipu ningkan plikep sose litum kihang kataram awe apran amui kedam nang bon tame central government punon mate state government punon thang initiative NA protong de litum Karbi khai tum dojoi poma chechak lun poma hala bangso kechak kachepachak lun le jia phan puthot Karbi rat phai tu ingthur ponang ji amek paprang ponang ji athe ilitum chesong pame me ka chesong tame itum o thip rotang te ilitum ke manga mokha bang chunam de ji implement sarang for central government state government lapen non hejong Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanto Biswa Sharma kaningje pondo je inglong asu kali de tum hantame longle patta trading lasen piponji halahai mokha do lapen separate electoral non puta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council len kopi posi patang ni therek lo halahai isia demand ke pachun serak ji facilitum la bangso really bang organize.
The rally began from Delhi at around 11 a.m. More than 1,000 participants joined the rally from various locations with a total of nearly 350 bikes covering the entire Bokhajan town and the interstate region.
Do inglong so khai pharman putate ko pisi bang khai phai tu or people lo hala ma thapa menang ji asini tum hala hoya ke mang hala hayu ning ke jangje hala ning ke pa pungpen mate rat phan isi ke pa cherok to ke pa doji bansi nitung lawang su peace and awareness rally ke pa dopon.
Anantirang's report from Bokhajan for Karbi Anglong Live.